at this wider and clear road, bring your speed down to 10 to 12 miles. Start with a gentle brake. You can assess the size of the road. If the road is smaller than you had expected, so it's a narrow road, think about the hazards. Bring speed down 5 to 6 miles an hour. When I say think about the hazards could be people crossing the road, pedestrians on the road, parked cars, oncoming traffic. Now, danger for driver too fast. If you take the turn too fast on, for example, a narrow road where the speed limit should be 5 to 6 miles, you could lose the control of the car, or the car might not turn properly, and you could end up hitting someone or parked cars or on pedestrian crossing the road. If you turn too slow, the car might not turn properly, and you could cause the traffic jam behind you, and that's another danger of turning too slow. If you are driving manual car, obviously you, depending on the size of the road, you select the appropriate gears according to the size of the roads. If you could do a turning in the second gear, you should do the turning in the second gear. You could do the turning in the third gear. You could do the turning in the third gear. But like I said, it depends on the road that you are going to take the turn onto. Be ready to stop if the situation changes. Be ready to stop when you are turning into a new road. Make sure you check the road properly. If there's somebody crossing the road, you have to stop. Point of turn. Next one, the last one is the look. So you look at the point of turn, pedestrian crossing the road, parked cars, obstruction, which means you have to stop, which I have already explained on the hazard part here. So let's move on to the next page. I will show you